Legal challenges expected after the presidential election, and the nation's legal community is chiming in.
Yeah, here at home, three distinguished law professors from the University of Chicago are sharing their insight tonight. And WGN's Gaynor Hall joins us now with more on what they said today.
Yeah, Ray and Micah, much uncertainty remains and legitimate vote counting continues tonight. But the president's legal team is laying the groundwork for an aggressive strategy to dispute results in key states.
It was terribly inappropriate. There are millions, literally, of ballots still to be counted. To announce you've won the election before you count the ballots is not a fit thing for the leader of a democracy to do.
David Strauss was among a trio of University of Chicago law professors today, weighing in on the stunning developments in the presidential race after President Trump overnight falsely claimed he won the election.
So we'll be going to the U.S. Supreme Court. We want all voting to stop. We don't want them to find any ballots at 4 o'clock in the morning and add them to the list.
The way he said he would go to the Supreme Court was especially disturbing. But you've got a president who made a point of saying he wanted to add this justice because there was an election coming up.
Aziz Huq says it's not technically impossible for an election dispute to quickly get to the Supreme Court, but at least right now, he says that seems unlikely.
I can't think of a case which could be filed directly in the Supreme Court that would allow a challenge to the ballot counting. And any other case would have to be brought, first of all, in either the lower federal courts or in state courts.
And with Joe Biden inching closer to 270 electoral votes, all eyes remain on the battlegrounds.
Litigation in Pennsylvania can't affect the outcome if Biden has won Michigan and Wisconsin and Arizona, right? So I think most of the issues are arising in Pennsylvania, and just the math doesn't work, even if they were to flip.
And as we've reported, the Trump campaign has already filed lawsuits in Pennsylvania and Michigan and is asking for a recount in Wisconsin. Biden's legal team says they're ready to fight back. Micah and Ray.
All right.